is, can you tell us what the role of training the mind is in the face of the challenges that we face in the world today?
Actually, without a problem, then you see training mind almost imagination.
Without a challenge, there will be no basis for training.
So, when you face more problem, usually you see sources develop anger. That is the best opportunity to practice genuine compassion. Your sort of sense of closeness feeling towards your friend, no problem. Towards your enemy, now that's important. So one scripture mentioned the person, so-called enemy, is best teacher of you. Where the possibility develop anger, hatred, that is the best time to reduce that, and compassion and respect these people. So that I practice that, very good, very, very helpful. It really gives me inner peace. At the same time, that also I can say inner strength. Then all sort of troublemaker is actually gives you best opportunity to practice compassion. So you must feel grateful all these people. So such practice really very good, very helpful.